Okay, so we have our 2003 Toyota Glock out now. So we have it ready for repair. So all we have to do now is just open it. To open it, there's a few clips over here. There's a couple here, and there's a couple on the other side. There are no screws on this one. So all you have to do is just, you can use your hands. Just take out just unclip it. And then try to do the other side too. It comes out. So we need to do some soldering. Basically, what happens is the solder on the there's a few resistors here. The solder on this resistor is just pretty much bad. It's dried up. So all we have to just resolder those. So I have my iron ready and solder. Clean it a little more. Okay, so it's ready. Be careful with the plastic. This plastic, make sure you don't burn it. It's looking pretty good. So there's about 5 resistors. Just do all of them just in case. There were about 3 of them that looked pretty bad. We're just redoing all of them. And just try to make sure that it's even, the solder. If you feel like you may burn the plastic, you can also just unscrew the actual board and just take it out, and the access to the solder would be a little bit easier. Otherwise, if you feel comfortable, you can just solder around it. Okay, so it's looking pretty good. Let's just take a closer look at the other components just to see that everything else looks good. You can always check the rest of the solder on the other components just to make sure that it's fine. If you see something that is kind of dried up, you can always apply some solder to those components as well. Usually the resistors are the ones that dried up the most. This defect is kind of known on the 2003 to 2008 Toyota Corollas. It looks pretty good. It looks that looks like that should do it. Like I said, all you have to do right now is just plug it back in. Before you put the trim back into the car, what you can do is you can just plug the connector into the clock and make sure it's working now. If it's not, then you probably have some more components that need to be soldered as well. Well, that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed the video and thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Bye bye.